What are alternate interior angles? Well, the alternate interior angles theorem states that if two lines are parallel and are cut by a transversal, then the angles on each side of the transversal on the inside of the two parallel lines are equal. So let's take, for instance, this figure. We have these two lines are marked as parallel. They are cut by what we call here a transversal line. That transversal cutting through two parallel lines form angles X and they form angle Y. So notice two things. Angle X and angle Y are both on the inside of the parallel lines. And one of our angles, X, is on the left side of the transversal and angle Y is on the right side of the transversal. Those two angles are parallel, are equal to each other. Now, also, if you notice how they also form two other angles. So these two angles are also congruent because they are both on the inside of the parallel lines, but one is on the left side and the other one is on the right side.